Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to create a duplicate file using your file manager. First, open the File Manager app on your phone. Navigate to the folder where the file you want to duplicate is located. Once you find the file, tap and hold on it until a menu appears. From the options, select Copy or Duplicate. Next, go to the folder where you want to place the duplicate file. Tap on the Paste or Move Here option to create a copy of the file in that location. Now, you'll have the original file as well as the duplicate file in the new location. And that's it. You've successfully created a duplicate file using the File Manager. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.